my beautiful people, it is Sherry Moulton back with another video. I apologize for not having a video for a couple weeks. I have been sick. Oh my goodness. As you can hear my voice, I worked all week and I joked around that I sound like a man, but I look like a woman. I have been so sick. So anyways, I am so excited because something came today. And I had to, I showed you my address, but you know what? Who cares? Because I'm too excited. My award has come. And all I keep thinking of is my most amazing Christmas movie ever. It is A Christmas Story, where he gets this famous award. It is Fragile, and it is a leg. So I was joking, that's all I kept thinking of is my award is coming. So anyways, so we're gonna unbox my award. I'm very excited. And I had to get the bling on, I had to put a fancy little jacket on, and I'm gonna do something special with it. So with that, let me just undo the tape. Let me just get my X-Acto knife. I am so excited. And here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Do I bring you down? Like, look at this. All right, I'm gonna bring you down. Give me a sec. I can clean my table off. I'm gonna bring you down so I can give you a better look at this because I'm excited. And it's all because of you guys that I have this thing. So I'll be right back, guys. Hey, I had to pull out my little carpety thing. I'm so excited. All right, here we go, my friends. And again, this is because of you amazing people. So I got this amazing letter. I'm not going to read it, but I will hold it up. And if you want to screenshot it, you may do that. Pretty freaking amazing. All right, here we go. Oh, you want to see it? Do you want to see it? I'm excited. Okay, here we go. Look at this. Oh my. Look at that. That is freaking amazing. I can't believe, look at that. My name on a YouTube button. Amazing. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Now, you know me. I'm just gonna set my letter. I'm gonna set my letter in here. In that paper, and we're gonna get that out of the road. But you know Sherry can't just leave things be. So I am going to are you ready? I am going to put some of my mirror on my award. So with that, my beautiful people, Laura and I will be forever connected, I tell you. So with that, I have some, we're just gonna use my UV resin. I have it warming up a little bit because my basement is always cold. I'm going to pull this out. I'm gonna get everything ready and we're gonna add some glitter to my award, guys. Oh my goodness, I still can't believe I got this thing. I'll be right back. Okay, I am so nervous, but I want to do this. So anyways, I have my Let's Resin UV Hard Cure UV resin. I warmed it up because my basement is cold. And I have cleaned off best I can. I have poured 40 milliliters in this little cup. And I'm going to add some of my mirror, my most amazing, my most favorite glitter. Laura, you and I will be forever together, my friend. So I'm gonna, I don't want to do a whole lot, and I don't want to do it over top, so I'm just pouring it in my cup, my friends. Because I want it to be very faint. I still want to be able to see the mirror. So I dumped a little bit in there. We're just gonna I just want a little something, something. I think that is going to be perfect. And I do not want to get it. I know you guys are probably going, no! But I'm going, yes! Here we go. There's no turning back. I just want a thin layer, just enough to coat it. And we'll let that put itself together. Where is my little sticks? Oh my goodness, I can't believe I'm doing this. Can't believe I'm doing this, Laura. Here we go. Maybe what I'll do is I'll just pick it up. Just get it to the edge. I'm nervous. I still can't believe I'm doing this. To the edge. Oops, there's a little missing there. How many of you thought I would do this? Put in the comments. Just can't leave well enough alone, right? Now let me just see if I can bring it this way so it'll do it on its own. Or actually, I've got a little left in here. Let's just pour. Instead of fighting with it. There, I have one little spot here. I'm just gonna make sure it's touching everything. Oh my goodness, I just can't believe I did this. I can't believe I did this, guys. Now let me get my little wee torch just to get bubbles out. If I can. And here we go. I am using my amazing light. I'm gonna put this on and I'm gonna do 5 minutes, guys. And hopefully that'll be enough. I'll see you in 5 minutes. Okay, look how it turned out, my friends. Oh my goodness. Laura and I will be forever embedded together. Glitterific friends. Thank you, Laura. And again, all kidding aside, I want to thank everybody because this wouldn't happen without you. It wouldn't happen without my amazing sponsors. And I feel like I'm going to get the music played like the Oscars at the end. I want to thank my husband. I want to thank my daughter, my son-in-law. I want to thank my son and daughter-in-law. I want to thank my parents, my brothers, my daughter, my sister-in-laws, all my nieces and nephews. amazing. My mother-in-law, just the dogs, the cats. We don't have dogs, but the dog next door. Anyways, you can tell I'm just a little excited. So with that being said, my beautiful people, I hope you enjoyed my unboxing of our award, adding some of amazing Laura's glitters. Yeah, it is what it is, my beautiful people. I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart, and I hope you have an amazing day, and we'll see you in the next one when we're going to actually get down to doing some more crafts. I love you guys. Have a wonderful day. Look at it, it's so pretty. Bye.